Hello everyone, let's try to have another board problem under the category of geotechnical engineering and hydraulics. And this is our board problem number 13. Let us now try to solve another exciting worded problem. For our CE board problem in this session, a barrow material has a volume of 191,000 cubic meters and a void ratio of 1.2. After compaction, its new void ratio is 0.7. Find then the corresponding volume. Let us now solve the given problem, but before that, let us have first all the givens that we need to solve the problem. First among our given, we have the volume of our barrow material represented by V sub T1, which is amounting to 191,000 cubic meters. And take note, this volume is also the volume before compaction. And also, we have another given. Our void ratio before compaction is equal to 1.2. And our void ratio value after the compaction is 0.7. Let us now start solving the problem. For the start of our solution, we need to calculate first the volume of the solid before compaction. And as we all know that the formula for the void ratio is equal to volume of voids over volume of solid. But if we're going to read again the problem, we do not have a given for the volume of void. But the volume of void can be calculated as the difference between the total volume and the volume of solid. That is why the formula E is equals to volume of void over volume of solid can be written now like this. E sub 1 equals B sub T1 minus B sub S all over V sub S. Based from our given problem, the void ratio E sub 1 before compaction is given, and we have its value as 1.2, and another given is the total volume, which is also the V sub T1, and it is amounting to 191,000 cubic meters. That is the total volume before compaction. Substituting all those mentioned given to our formula, then our solution becomes like this. After the substitution process, 1.2 equals 191,000 minus volume of solids all over volume of solids. Using our calculator, Canon or Casio or Sharp, all you have to do is to type the given equation, then perform the shift calc strategy using calculator technique. Just make sure that the B sub S, when you type it on the calculator, it will be alpha x. Finally, we have now the value for our volume of solid. The volume of our solid before compaction is amounting to 86,818.18 cubic meters. Finally, we can now compute for the corresponding volume after compaction. And the formula that we will use after compaction, the total volume, we will use the void ratio formula again. Void ratio or E sub 2 equals to B sub T2 minus B sub S all over B sub S. After doing the substitution process, we can have now this equation. 0.7 equals B sub T2 minus 86,818.18 all over 86,818.18. Finally, our corresponding volume value is amounting to 147,590.9 cubic meters. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.